Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can search stickers on TikTok. So I'm going to open up TikTok real quick. Okay, once you're in TikTok, to search the available stickers, tap on the plus icon at the bottom in the center. That'll take you to the TikTok camera. Now to add a sticker, simply just record your TikTok video how you want to record it. So I'll just record something real quick, something real short, like 2 to 5 seconds for this example. There we go, 5 seconds. And then I'll tap on the tick mark at the bottom right hand corner, and then you'll notice that you have a little stickers option right over here. So to search for any sort of sticker that you want, you can see these are the recommended stickers currently trending right now. But here where it says search GIFs, it says GIFs, but you can search stickers. So let me just type coffee for an example, and then that's just going to load up all these stickers related to coffee, and then I can just select any one that I want, and there I can position it on my TikTok video just how I want it. And you can pretty much search for any sticker that you want, and that's pretty much it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.